Hey friend, Brent here. Welcome back to another training where I show you how to succeed in making money online. Today, I want to talk to you about the top mistakes that I see affiliate marketers make when they're just getting started. And if you've been following me for a while, I hope this video makes you take a step back and relook at the affiliate marketing business, because if you're having trouble scaling, one of these may be the reason. And also, if you're new here, welcome. I post videos regularly to help you grow your affiliate marketing business, which if you haven't already started, you'll want to watch the entire video to make sure you don't experience some of the pitfalls I'm constantly seeing beginners make. Some of those pitfalls I'm going to be talking about are taught by so-called gurus and experts here on YouTube, so make sure you watch closely and you don't fall into these. Also, while you're here, go ahead and smash that like button. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. There's also that big red subscribe button. Hopefully you can see it. That's just waiting to be clicked. Now, if you have no idea what affiliate marketing is, but for whatever reason you clicked on this video, then let me make this as simple as possible. Affiliate marketing is a way that a person can earn money online with their own products or without their own products, with their own website or not, and very little startup cost. The reason for this is because with affiliate marketing, all you have to do is promote someone else's product or courses, and if a customer makes a purchase, then you get a commission on that sale. Sounds pretty simple, right? Well, like anything else, because it's so simple, it's often pretty easy to mess up. And that's exactly why I created today's video, to help you avoid these pitfalls and make progress with your online business. Okay, so let's get into it. The first mistake beginning affiliate marketers make is finding a niche that isn't profitable. So here's what happens. When most affiliates get started, they're typically told to pick a niche or a topic and to also make sure that it's something that they're passionate about. So maybe you're passionate about baseball or fly fishing or cooking or maybe sneakers or crypto, and you think you're going to build a business on that. Well, the problem is, to truly become wealthy as an affiliate, you need to pick a niche that speaks to a wider audience. So you want to pick niches that are going to be profitable, at least in the beginning. And those top 3 niches that generate the most profit are health, wealth, and relationships. And there are a few reasons for this. First, is there are more people in the world that are interested in losing weight than there are people who are interested in fly fishing. I think that's fairly obvious. But secondly, these niches hit on specific pain points that people will spend countless dollars trying to fix. The health and wellness industry alone produces billions of dollars. So that doesn't mean you can't talk about your interests or passions. You'll just want to find where they fit into any of these categories to be truly successful. For example, I know of an incredible baker that has been having trouble finding affiliate products that allow her to build a substantial business. Once she learned about the top 3 profitable niches, she saw that she could build her affiliate business around healthy baking and help people lose weight while still eating the types of foods that they love. So that's one. Here's the second major mistake most people in affiliate marketing, especially beginners, run into. They only find one product to promote. The reason for this is most experts will say, hey, just find one product, learn it well, and stick with it. Now, there's some truth to that, and it's a great idea to know the products they're promoting as well. But the reality is, if you really want to multiply your earnings and grow your business, you want to find a handful of products to promote all the time. You'll find the most of your sales actually come from repeat customers, more than the new ones. Why? Because your customers already know, like, and trust you. So if you're willing to recommend something, they're pretty much ready to buy. So let's again use the healthy baker as an example. Now that she has broadened her niche, she can sign up as an affiliate for things like healthy cookbooks, weight loss supplements, protein powders, and online fitness courses. She can even become a Beachbody consultant and promote their products as well. I hope you're beginning to see how it can quickly turn into a much more sustainable business. The third issue is people forgetting about their email list. I see this over and over again. Affiliate marketers will set up their business, run a few ads, and even though they're growing their email list, they get discouraged and that they only made a few bucks or they just break even. So here's the deal. I'll gladly break even or even lose a little bit of money in the front end if I'm building my email list. Because once I have those email addresses, they're mine until they unsubscribe. That means I can market new and exciting products to them whenever I want for free. So if you're breaking even or making a little money on your promotions and you're growing your email list, that's considered a huge win. Your email list is the most valuable asset when growing your business. Now that leads me to problem number 4, getting discouraged too early. I don't care what your favorite guru told you today, building a long-term, profitable, sustainable business as an affiliate marketer is going to take time. Too often, I'll see affiliate marketers do a great job with their business. They have a large email list and they have a handful of customers, but they're getting discouraged because they're not making 10K a month or as much as the other person in their favorite Facebook group is. Look, you need to recognize that some of this stuff will take time and you're probably doing much better than you think. What do I mean? Well, let's take a retail store for example. One of my friends was just telling me that he was opening just one of his stores in the mall after inventory costs, rent costs, supply costs, projected payroll costs. He spent close to $50,000 before even making a single sale. Think about that. Most of the online business owners I know barely spend $100 before they make their first sale. That's just the reality of online business these days. So don't get discouraged you're not at the numbers you wish you were, or your favorite gurus say you should be at, or where someone else is in the Facebook group. Learn to see potential of your business rather than just where you are right now, and above all else, don't give up. Too many people start an online business, get discouraged after a month, and flat out give up. There's no possible way to succeed if you just give up. Most of the successful businesses I know had to push through discouragement and fight the temptation to give up. So as I wrap up this video, I want to quickly review the 4 mistakes I see too many online business owners make. Number 1, choosing the incorrect niche, especially choosing one that's not profitable. Remember, the 3 best niches are health, wealth, and relationships. And also recall that you can find a way to mix in your passions with one of those niches, just like our baker friend who mixed in healthy eating and weight loss with her passion of baking. Secondly, people who only choose one product. Apple started with a computer, but soon expanded into things like personal tech, MP3 players, phones, tablets, headphones, etc. Model your business like this and find multiple products to promote. Third mistake is neglecting the email list. Your email list is your most important asset of your business. Build your list, nourish it, and it will pay you back 10 times over. And finally, giving up. By far, this is the biggest mistake online business owners make. Simply put, it takes time to build a business. Resist the urge to compare yourself to others, fight back against discouragement, and most importantly, do not give up. Well, I hope you learned something new in today's video. And that's a wrap, YouTube. I want to thank you so much for staying with me until the end. If I've provided value in this video, please hit that like button. And if you want to learn more about other online strategies to generate income that work today, check out this video I've linked in either the card above or in the end screen. I'd also like to know if you've already tried a salary supplementing side hustle. What strategies are you using? What niche are you in? Write a little something below. I'd love to start a friendly conversation with you. This is Brent, your friendly affiliate, telling you to stay straight, stay true, and most importantly, never give up.